Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will provide a video about AnaniIG.com Instagram review, how to use it and is it legit. So, for those of you who are looking for a way, then watch my video until the end. So that you can do it, it depends on the device you use. But before you start, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell, so you don't miss any of my useful videos. AnaniIG.com is a platform designed to let users view Instagram stories and profiles anonymously. Whether you're curious about someone's stories without alerting them or want a private way to browse Instagram profiles, AnaniIG claims to offer a solution. But how does it work, and is it legitimate? Here's what you need to know. What is AnaniIG.com? AnaniIG.com is a web-based tool that allows users to view public Instagram profiles, stories, and highlights without logging into their own Instagram accounts. It's particularly useful for people who want to maintain anonymity while browsing. How to use AnaniIG.com? Using AnaniIG.com is straightforward. Visit the website. Enter the Instagram username of the profile you want to view. Click the search button, and the platform will display available stories, posts, or highlights if the profile is public. The platform does not require you to log in or provide personal details, making it simple and accessible. Is AnaniIG.com legit? Yes, AnaniIG.com is a legitimate platform for anonymous Instagram viewing. However, it has limitations. Public profiles only. The tool works only for public Instagram accounts. Private profiles remain inaccessible. Read-only feature. You can view content, but interactions like liking or commenting are not possible. Third-party risks. As with any third-party tool, there is a small risk of data security concerns. Benefits and drawbacks. Pros: anonymity, no account login required, and free to use. Cons: limited functionality and access to public profiles only. AnaniIG.com is a handy tool for anonymously viewing Instagram content, as long as the profile is public. While it's legitimate, users should remain cautious with any third-party service and prioritize online privacy. Thank you to those of you who have watched this video, and I really hope for feedback, to increase creativity in creating content that is positive and useful for many people.